Masila Manishwara temple dedicated to Shiva located in Tirumullai Voyal. The temple is incarnated by the hymns of Tevaram and is classified as Padal Petra Sthalam. The temple is incarnated by the hymns of Sundarar, Ramalinga Swamigal and Aruna Girinadhar. Tirumullai Voyal is one of the many temple towns in the state which is named after the groves, clusters or forests dominated by a particular variety of a tree and the same variety of tree sheltering the presiding deity. The region is believed to have been covered with Champaka forest and hence called Champaka Vanam. In ancient times, the forest surrounding Tirumullai Voyal was occupied by two notorious tribesmen, Vanan and Onan, from the Kurumbar tribe. King Tondaiman, the then ruler of the land, wanted to put an end to their atrocities. All his attempts went futile and finally he decided to defeat them in war. He set out for the war with all his infantry and cavalry with elephants and chariots. En route to the war, they waded through a dense growth of jasmine climbers. The foot of the elephant on which he was mounted was entangled in the dense foliage. The king and his men, in an attempt to free the elephant from this mess, went on to cut the wild twines with their swords and daggers. Suddenly, they noticed blood gushing out from the leaves and found a lingam bleeding. Shocked, the king was in great distress that he was committed a sin. Seeking mercy and forgiveness from Lord Shiva, he prayed to him. Without any delay, Lord Shiva and Parvati appeared before the king lest he indulge in causing self-inflicted injury out of grief. The Lord asked the king to build a temple for him right there and promised that he would reside there as Masila Manishwara, the Lord who is as precious as a gem but without stains. It is believed that the Lord also promised to support him in destroying the Kurumbas by sending his holy steed, the Nandi bull. On his orders, the Nandi also gets ready to go and fight for the king. This is why the Nandi in this temple faces outwards, ready to leave for the battle on the orders of the Lord, whereas in all other Shiva temples, it faces inwards facing the Lord. The positions of the deities Lord Shiva and Kodiyadai Amman is also found to be interchanged as against what is usually found in Shiva temples. It is believed to be so because the Lord and his consort were in a hurry to give holy appearance for the king. With the Lord's blessings and Nandi's support, the king did win over the battle and proceeded to his capital. As a memoir of the victory, he seized a very prized possession of the Kurumbas, two pillars made of the tree trunk of white crown flower. These pillars can be seen even today, placed on both sides, decorating the sanctum sanctorum of the Lord. The goddess is called Kodiyadai Nayagi and is considered to be a very powerful deity and known to bestow her gracious blessings for newlyweds, unwed girls, for speedy marriage and for a happy wedded life.